this. This is 13 or 9/16. We didn't have a 14. It's probably 14, but American 9/16. Okay, then you have the jack handle off of the jack. Just cut her down. Give you some leverage. Get down there, perfect. Here and there. Okay, use this to compress it. Caliper. Put one of these, a new pad in there, so you don't hurt this. Make sure you take that off. I'll probably have to dip some out with a rag because you're going to be over max after the second pad, I'm thinking. Just depends. Okay, basically you torque them up until put the breaker bar on it and give it a, make it tight, so you need a breaker bar to get them back off, but a couple good tight turns on there, make sure they're not going to fall off. What you need to do is scroll down and see the torque specs in my description, and got the torque specs there and the sizes that you're going to need. Also a link to that manufacturer of brake pads, a good one on Amazon, so check that out. Okay, just put the pad in there like that, backwards, and then put this tool in here like so, and then you screw in. It presses the cylinder in so you can get it on the new pads around it like this.